This pretty girl was at the shelter under the name of Danielle, and she got adopted. However, it just didn't work out with the situation. It probably wasn't the best situation to begin with, and we fell prey to it. And the mother of the kids that wanted her insisted she had to come back. They named her Audi, so we just kept that name since she knows it better than Danielle, don't you? She has been fixed. She's probably about 8 months old now. She's been fixed. She's heartworm negative. She shares a kennel with Tate. She seems to like other dogs just fine. She's still got a lot of energy, though. Don't you, babe? We can't even see you. We can't even see you in the video. Show everybody how pretty you are. She's interested in the kitties. We don't know what that means. Does that mean you like or don't like kitties? She just needs to wear off some of her energy. She's really a sweet dog. She just needs to find a home where she can be appreciated. Don't you? Tell them. Tell them. Tell them what it was like. Say you just don't understand. Oh, it's been a terrible life, hasn't it? Oh, it's just been terrible. Actually, I think she was loved by the kids. But Mama had just had enough. So this pretty girl is Audi. She is fully vetted, ready to go. She's a nice girl. Yes, she is. And, yes, babe. And I think she'd do fine in a home with other dogs. Not sure about cats.